Today I'm reviewing ClickMagick, a platform that offers a suite of tools designed for affiliate marketers, digital advertisers, and online entrepreneurs who need to track, manage, and optimize their marketing links. Right when you log in, you're greeted with a user dashboard that's packed with data, click volume, unique clicks, flagged bot traffic, and other useful metrics that give you an overview of your campaigns in real time. ClickMagick is primarily known for its advanced tracking features. One of its core strengths is the ability to monitor and analyze every click on your links. This isn't just basic click tracking. You get to see where your traffic is coming from, how long visitors stay, what device they're using, and even filter out bot traffic. These kinds of insights are crucial if you're running paid ads or affiliate offers where every click costs money. One standout feature is link cloaking. ClickMagick lets you mask long or unattractive affiliate links, giving them a branded look. This not only improves click-through rates, but also helps in avoiding link blocks from platforms like Facebook or Google Ads. However, it's worth noting that some users might find the interface a bit overwhelming at first. There's a steep learning curve, especially if you're new to digital marketing tools, but ClickMagick offers tutorials and a knowledge base to help you get started. Another big selling point is their A/B split testing. You can set up 2 or more landing pages and rotate traffic between them to see which performs better. The tool automatically tracks conversions and determines the winner over time. This is extremely helpful for optimizing sales funnels. The setup process is straightforward if you're familiar with tracking pixels, but it can be a bit tricky if you're not tech-savvy. Many useful links you can find in the description. ClickMagick also integrates with multiple third-party platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and various affiliate networks, making it versatile for marketers using different traffic sources. There's also the Magic Pop feature, which lets you add pop-ups to any page, even ones you don't own. That's a unique twist, though again, you'll need to understand how to use scripts and embed codes to make it work properly. The platform isn't perfect. The pricing can be a turnoff for beginners. While there is a free trial, the monthly cost adds up if you're not actively using the features. Also, the mobile interface is not as smooth or responsive as the desktop version, which can be frustrating if you manage campaigns on the go. Reporting can be quite dense, and it might take time to figure out what metrics really matter for your specific goals. Overall, ClickMagick is a powerful tool for serious marketers. If you're managing multiple campaigns, want granular control over your links, and care about deep-level analytics, it's worth considering. But if you're just starting out or only running 1 or 2 small campaigns, it might be more than you need. The software definitely caters more to intermediate or advanced users who are ready to dive deep into optimization. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and digital marketing tips.